Hello there folks, my name is Shakeel and I'm your ESL instructor. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about my special skills and tips on how to learn basic English. This video is for beginners. If you want to see more videos like this, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's begin. In today's video, we are going to talk about the most common verbs first. In English, we have verbs. They are called action verbs, and it's really important to learn the basic common verbs first. For the beginners, I have chosen some most common verbs. They are in alphabetical order. So, for beginners, it's easy to learn them step by step. In today's video, we are not only going to talk about these most common words and verbs, but also how to pronounce them. Let's begin. Ask, ask. Be, become, begin, call, can, come, do, feel, find, get, give, go, have, hear, help, keep, know, leave, let, like, live, look. There are many sentences you can make out of these verbs. The first one is ask. Can I ask you a question? B. I want to be a doctor. Call me back when you are free. Do. Let me do it for you. Feel. I feel excited. 3. Get. Please get me a glass of water. Have. I have a lot of friends. Know. Do you know this girl? Leave. I'll leave for London on Sunday. To watch more videos on how to learn English, you need to subscribe my channel. See you soon with another video. Take care. Bye bye.